I just finished this vintage Reuge double singing bird cage that is in absolutely outstanding cosmetic condition. It's also in perfect mechanical condition as well. I fully serviced this singing bird cage. This was crafted in 1973. And that date is handwritten on the leather-covered wooden bellows. So let's watch it play. Both birds sing with full voice, animate perfectly. I'm going to put this to the pause feature. So the pause feature is a good test of the integrity of the bellows. You can see the bellows have a really nice pause. Let me zoom in as we're waiting. So the lower bird is a light blue, beautiful, highly colorful, and the top bird is a light yellow. We'll wait for another pause. And we'll switch back to continuous. So you can see the birds open and close their beaks, flap their tails, all synchronized to the oscillating bird song. They also rotate their heads, and they rotate their bodies along the axis. It's a wonderful example. So in summary, a vintage Reuge double singing bird cage in wonderful mechanical and cosmetic condition. It's all serviced and ready for the next owner. I'm going to turn it off here. Take care.